Hello, welcome all to my channel Rendezvous with Dr. Pushpendu Rakshit. Today we'll be talking about one of the important aspects, and that's related to digital strike. Yes, friends, digital strike. Now, most of the time we do see here that we are having the government of India now taking a lead in order to have the curbing of or banning of the Chinese applications. And this is what we name as digital strike. Now, in current scenario, we see that our Indian government is trying to become self-reliant or following the mantra of Atmanirbhar Bharat and looking into the cyber security aspects, data leakage, data privacy, and the threats which are in terms of data breach, in terms of privacy breach, and confidentiality breach. And as per the Indian Act 2000, amended in 2008, Section 69A, this is what it has been planned that this sort of apps which are creating threat to the Indian data or citizens' data is supposed to be banned. So when we talk about digital strike, we see around 70 crore internet users are there in India and 50 crore mobile app internet app users are there in India. We also talk here about the concept of soft power, which is a word that comes that the country who is having the data collected for maximum number of citizens, and in that case data is not compromised or either compromised for a business purpose, but we name it as a soft power. US had been so far the powerful nation in terms of soft power, and that we talk about the data of the users that has been collected by government or other sources or companies. Whereas now China is also looking ahead to get into the such a powerful way and trying to get data of global data, or specifically when we talk about India, the data they are trying to have. So games already we had a in the series you can watch. We had a video that is talking basically about your one of the as the the ban on TikTok, and also we had a ban on PUBG. Those things are already there. Why the security features are getting breached? And now PUBG, then we have 1010 and almost 118 mobile apps, and overall 224 apps are now completely banned. And for talking about PUBG, we could see we already had 22 lakh players and 50 million users and almost 35 million active users in this process. PUBG made almost 17,000 crore revenue till July 2020, and overall if we see the global revenue, then that comes to 22,000 crore. Almost, I hope you know that the full form of PUBG that goes with player unknown battleground. Player unknown battleground, that's PUBG. Basically it has been developed by Irish, and why we call it as a Chinese product? Because being developed by an Irish man, that is Brendan Greene. He is the founder of that. Initially designed and developed by South Korean company Blue Hole. Blue Hole, Chinese company Transcend holds 10% stake in Blue Hole, but has developed the mobile app game PUBG Mobile. So here we could basically learn that the app is not directly having a link with China, but it is having an indirect link. And there is always a data pilferation, or we see the data leakage that is happening, and which has to be taken care of. That's why the Atmanirbhar Bharat would be helping us to have the best of the apps which are designed and developed by the engineers, coders, and the app developers within the country. So this video was basically related to giving you an idea that if PUBG is banned, then it is not just banned, and also to inform you because there are security breaches, confidentiality breaches, and also to inform you that now as the number of users are very high, to keeping a security aspect is very difficult. So now the game further may be played on TV, or I mean on smart TVs, on or smart gadgets, or on the computer laptop, but on phone, mobile phone, the number of players that we had may be reducing. So we need to give the proper authentication, and we need to keep check that proper things are happening. So this video was basically in order to create an awareness that why. So the players of the PUBG should not be disheartened by this decision of government, and this is what we feel is one of the security glitches that are there. Keep liking us, sharing us, and subscribing the channel. Press the bell icon, and thanks a lot for watching the video.